Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your country on the Neteller application. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your Neteller wallet, all you need to do now is to go to the help center so you can contact the support so they can change your country. So basically all you need to do is to search for accounts, go for updates, and here you will need to change the personal information, change the address. So to update it, you will need to contact the support and give them the personal information or the documents, like as you can see, if you have moved to from another country, you should send the address verification documents as proof of the change. So basically you need to have some proofs of your country changing, and then just go to the contact and go for account, and you will need to update my personal information and just give them the messages here, or the details of the message, and send them the message, and they will receive it, and they will send you back a message, and you can contact them then, and they will change your country of your account on the Neteller application. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.